Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Sucker and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. So this song is really easy to play. There's only two parts that we need to learn. The first one is going to be the guitar picking, and then we're going to go into learning the strum pattern for this. So let's start off with the picking. We're going to start off on the 4th fret. So now the second part about it, you're going to be adding a couple more notes to it. Okay, so let's put those two parts together and play it. 2, 3, 4. So now let's get into the strumming part of this. We're going to have a total of 6 chords that we're going to be using. So the chords we're going to be using is a C sharp minor 7, to an F sharp minor, then to a B, to an E, then an A, and then an A flat. So a total of 6 chords. So I'll play a couple lines of it to show you guys a strum pattern for this part. So the strum pattern for it is basically a down up. So I have the chords and the strum pattern on the screen. You guys can follow along, and then I'll play it at a slow pace so that we can get used to it. And then for the A, it's going to be 2 times. And then for the A flat also. Okay, so let's try and pick up the speed for it. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.